While I was working on the small unmanned and aerial vehicle working group, which has been funded by the RDA TIGER program.
Back in 23, with a lot of good intentions and good collaborations, but we very soon kind of realized that kind of will and good intentions can get you so far. So in a way it was a little bit of a no-brainer for the working group to really get involved and collaborate with Tiger.
I present my work on DMP evaluation service, and also I support the DMP API sessions. Being here in person helped me to connect directly with global research and data community.
So it has enabled us to employ a professional development team within the National Bioinformatics Sweden organization, and those developers have been able to develop a new visual tool for the GORC International model, which will enable more adopters to more easily see and understand what the objects do, but also to be able to generate reports that are relevant for their organization in an easier way.
The thing that I guess I'm most proud of is the essential elements typology that came out of the interest group, and that then has become part of the Global Open Research Commons International Model, which is now getting significant pickup in a variety of settings, quite a lot of pickup around EOSC and the EOS Federation at the moment.
So with the Artificial Intelligence and Data Visitation Working Group, I think we have extraordinary guidance documents that we arrived at. And then with the data visitation for RDA, it was really amazing to see, it wasn't a large group, but a small group sincerely engaged in understanding how they could build a data visitation platform together and pilot that and actually demonstrate that it worked.
First of all, probably is the most important part is see real people and not behind the screen or a video conference, because since the COVID, I think that we have lost a big chunk of what is the human parts of the relationships. When you see stuff to people and you can speak more freely, also because you can walk around in the floor and you see few people maybe that are discussing on a topic and you can join.
We now started our working group, the Trusted Research Environment and Sensitive and Confidential Data Management Working Group. Probably get the award for the longest title of a working group. And we're kicking it off right now at this plenary. And it's because we are still missing Australian participants, it's an excellent opportunity to be here in person, get the people know in person.
I'm hoping that I'll meet other like-minded people who have shared interests and passions about data, specifically for RPAS, but other data systems as well, and be able to contribute to other working groups or recommendations and use cases to promote open science and fair data.
So RDA TIGER has definitely improved the interoperability of our data service, so we're better aligned with the EOSC interoperability framework. And it also reflected in higher user activity, file access requests, and overall user engagement upon embedding the schemas.
A difference Tiger support has made to our work is enabling the DV for RDA project. That's data visitation for RDA. What we did in this project is collaborate with an industry partner, Lifetime Omics, with the aid of Tiger Cascade support. That support allowed us to coordinate both features implementation of RDA recommendations as well as security testing of the platform itself.
They're important because it helps us It helps the people that are volunteering their time or dedicating part of their work time or portfolio to RDA and open science work focus on the work itself and less on the facilitation, administration.
It's been a core sort of part of the projects, mean that people have been able to reliably turn up to events, to meetings, and really kind of help to drive those projects forward.
RDA TIGER preparation into participations. So us in RDA working group who is participating in the working group can bring back practical open science solution faster.
In an idea world, a lot of people have a good meaning, and they know they want to do things in a way that supports open science and open ways of working. It's always better if you have an external force that kind of like pushes you, reminds you, and pushes you to the right direction. It makes it a little bit easier to actually then implement those things in your everyday work. So I think that's where the Tiger has been very effective.
Open science and data sharing are oftentimes, so there are different ways that RDA TIGER contributes. One of the things that I think is really important is connecting initiatives. So whether that's connecting initiatives in the same domain, so for us in the health domain, there are many initiatives that are trying to achieve kind of different flavors of the same thing. And so RDA TIGER helps us understand what other related work is happening and then connect to those other groups.
Just keep up the good work, hopefully also in the future.
Thank you, RDA, for acquainting us, our membership with the TIGER program, and allowing us to participate in the benefits TIGER has afforded us.